So, let's proceed to another lesson, which is subtracting similar fraction. Pag sinabi natin na similar, the same ang kanilang denominator. Okay, una, 2/4 minus 1/4. Anak, huwag kang magpanik pag nakita mo na subtraction. Okay, kung addition yan, at similar fraction, walang problema sa denominator, kinakopy lang natin, di ba? Ngayon, magsusubtract lang na tayo ng denominator since they have both same denominator. Okay, copy na agad si 4 and subtract lang. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, we have now 1/4. Okay, number 2. We have 4/8 minus 2/8 minus 1/8. Anak, pag tatlong fraction yan, don't worry. Kasi similar fraction pa lang. Ang gagawin lang natin, isusubtract lang lahat ng digits sa taas o lahat ng numerators. Okay? Tapos 8 as our denominator. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So, we have now 1/8. Isi-simplify lang siya if pwede pa. Pero pag hindi na, wag nang isimplify. Kuha. Yan lang. Wala ka nang ibang gagawin. Okay, number 3. Try natin, ha? 6/8 minus 2/8 minus dapat mag-ano siya. Ito. Ayan. Pag ganyan. 6/8 minus 2/8 minus 2/8. No. Okay. Copy na agad natin yung denominator natin na si 8. Diba? 8/8 similar fraction. So, wala nang problema sa denominator. Proceed na agad sa pagsusubtract ng mga digits sa taas. Okay. Ang ingay nila. Pasensya na, ha? Okay. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 minus 2 is 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Ito si 2/8. Yan na ba yung sagot natin? Hindi po. Bakit? Kailangan pa pong isimplify dahil may common factor pa si 2 at si 8. Ngayon, kukunin muna natin ang factors ni 2 at ni 8. Okay. Ang factors ni 2 ay 1 times 2. Yun lang. Okay. Factors ni 8 naman ay 2 times 4. 1 times 8. Ngayon, yung kukunin natin, yung magkapareha. Common factor or greatest common factor para mabilis nating ma-divide. Okay, ito si 2. So, 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. Pwede pa, diba? Okay, 2 divided by 2 equals to 1 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, we have now 1/4. Nakuha ba? Isi-simplify lang natin pag may common factor. Pero pag wala na, stop na tayo. Kuha? Okay. Kabila tayo. Sorry, ha. Medyo nag-aapura. Subtracting similar fractions. Okay, ayan. Medyo, hirap talaga mga bata pag similar fraction, ano? Okay, eto. Sana makatulong sa inyo yung video ito. Number 1. We have 3/4 minus 1/2. Okay, anak, paano ba yan? Kasi dissimilar fraction yan. Si 3/4 walang problema. Just dapat ang magiging denominator natin ay si 4. So, copy po natin si 3/4. 3/4 minus. Okay, dapat 4 din yung denominator dito. Ano? Okay, so, isip tayo ng digit na once we multiply it by 2, the product is 4. So, only 2. Siyempre, nag-multiply tayo sa baba. I-multiply din natin dito. Di na ako class gagamit ng butterfly method kasi hirap sila doon. Hirap yung mga anak ko. So, nag-stick po kami sa ganitong process. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. Ito na yun. So, since similar fraction na, tandaan anak, pag dissimilar fraction, hindi magkaparehas ng denominator. So, what we are going to do, change muna natin siya into similar fraction. Then, after that, i-subtract na natin yung parehas numerator. 3 minus 2 is 1 and copy the denominator. Wala nang problema, diba? Okay. Isa pa, number 2. We have 6 eighths minus 2 fourths. Ayan, paano na naman yan? Okay, I got you. Lipat natin si 6 eighths. Minus, ito lang, may problema ha. Ito lang na fraction. So, anong gagawin natin? Think a number that when we multiply it by 4, the answer is 8, or the product is 8. So, times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. Ayan. Similar fraction na. Okay, pwede na tayong mag-subtract. 6 minus 4 equals 2, and copy si 8 as our denominator. Anak, pwede pa ba i-simplify yan? Yes po. Ngayon, kukunin muna natin yung factors ni 2 at ni 8. Okay, what are the factors of 2? 1 times 2. Okay, factors ni 8. 1 times 8. And 2 times 4. Ayan. Yan lang, diba? Okay, ngayon, kukunin natin yung common. Ibig sabihin, greatest common factor, yung malaking parehas nila, no, para mabilis tayo. Okay, so hindi pwede si 1. No. Okay, kukunin na natin si 2. Ito na yung greatest common factor ni 2 at ni 8. So, i-divide natin. Divided by 2 equals 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so we have now 1/4 as our answer.